Hi friends, here we are talking about that exclamatory sentence. Wow, what a beautiful, what a long snack. Okay, how are you beautiful? These sentences we call exclamatory sentences. That is called hooray, I have won the match. These kinds of sentences we call exclamatory. इसमें विस्मय व्यक्त की जाता है. This kind of that is called exclamatory. जैसे what और how से start हो, तो in this case आपको जब यदि what से start होगा तो you have to apply now, and here add verb. Okay, adjective, that is called adjective you have to use. Exclamatory with surprise. Or bravo, bravo, you have done very well. Bravo, you have got first position in the class. Applauded, shabash, that is called. Now, oh, exclaim with surprise. Oh, what a fantastic vegetable. In this way, right? Well done. It is also we can use applauded wish. That time we can use well done, you have done very good. In this way we use applauded. Hooray! I have won the match. इनके बाद में एक्सक्लेमेटरी, मेन एक्सक्लेमेटरी सिंबल से रिकॉग्नाइज होगा कि ये सेंटेंस आपका एक्सक्लेमेटरी है, राइट? यस, सो राइट डाउन दिस, इट इज वेरी नाइस टॉपिक एक्सक्लेमेटरी. यस, that's one also, alas, you use, right? Yes, as claimed with sorrow, right? Yes, first I think we will try to make the sentences of that, right? Yeah, what a beautiful, what, in this case you have to use now. How? How a beautiful dress. How a long snack. Okay, what a lazy boy. ये देखा जैसे आपने ये देखा. Okay, he is very lazy boy. इसका बनाना, चलो आपने पहले हम सिंपल सेंटेंस को एक्सक्लेमेटरी बनाते हैं, राइट? हाँ, what a lazy boy he is. बन गया. What a lazy boy. Because very we have to use when we can say that. Then when noun happened that time. How he is very lazy. Exclamatory इसको बनाना था हमें, तो हमें what से start करना होगा. अब ये lazy है, a lazy, right? Boy, ये जो back side sentences हमने आगे send कर दिया. What a very, right? A very, the we have to erase. तो यहाँ पर हमको then after that subject you have to write last, then helping verb. Clear it is, then exclamatory symbol. In this way you can make simple sentence. अब हम सीखेंगे example के through कि how to change. First we will learn about alas. Right? Yes. Simple way we can say that. Just like that, we can say any Ruchi. Ruchi said, alas, my brother, exclamatory symbol, my brother is no more. Sad talk. My brother is no more. अब इसका बनाना है आपको. You have to change here, right? Yes. So first आपने alas देखा तो you have to apply in the place of sad. यदि sad हो तो भी हमें लगाना है, और sad to हो then we have to use this. So here come Ruchi as claimed with sorrow, दुख से व्यक्त कर रही है, वो करना ही पड़ेगा भाई फादर. एंड हियर वी यूज, मैंने कहा था आरबी और आरएस हम जो है वी हैव टू जॉइन फ्रॉम दैट, जस्ट लाइक ए सिंपल, राइट? यस. नेक्स्ट, तो हियर कम दैट अब इसके बाद में यू हैव टू राइट माई चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑब्जेक्ट. अब ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है आपके पास, राइट? ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है तो हम मी मानेंगे. मी को हम माई चेंज करेंगे तो वो माई रहेगा. ये ठीक है, हम यहाँ मी मान लेते हैं. चलो, मी के अकॉर्डिंग हमने माई को चेंज किया तो वो माई रहेगा बाबू, राइट? यस, माई ब्रदर or Ismar changed into was no more. In this way, you have to change. Let's say we can say that one example also. Hurry. Then this, oh, just like that. Anil sad. Anil sad to me. चलो ऑब्जेक्ट लिख देते हैं. Me. Hurrah. I have won the match. अब सपोज कीजिए इसको, यू हैव टू चेंज दिस इनवर्टेड कॉमा. अनिल सैड हुर्रा आई हैव वन द मैच. वी हैव टू चेंज दिस. तो फर्स्ट आई थिंक आप देख रहे हैं हुर्रा मीन्स एक्सक्लेम विद जॉय. खुशी हो रही है इसको बहुत ज्यादा. अनिल don't go, please subscribe my channel and comments also. I like your comments too much, right? Yes, Anil exclaimed with joy. Anil exclaimed with joy. What that? अब ये I we have to change according to me. I will change according to me. I will change according to Anil. First person ना, first person will change according to Anil के according change करना है. तो here we apply he or have change into had. Won the match. Right? Yes. Next, we do some more examples. It has. Then you will learn. Without practice, without example, it will not possible to learn. What a long snack. Right? What a long snack. Then we have to use a very long snack in the place of what. और what से बना तो मैं